Hey Android TV fam, RJ here from Technical Hunter, RJ. If you're hunting for free live TV on your Android TV, Redbox TV is a top pick with over 1,000 channels from news, sports, entertainment, and international hits like ESPN, CNN, and HBO, all in HD where available. But heads up, it's an unverified app, so use only legal playlists, grab a VPN like NordVPN for privacy, and stream responsibly. Let's install it quick and easy. First, enable unknown sources. Head to Settings, then Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions, and toggle on Unknown Sources for your file manager or downloader. Next, open the Google Play Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Launch Downloader. Enter the code 250931 for APK Time, a safe third-party store. Once in APK Time, search for Redbox TV. Hit install on the latest APK, version 10.8 or newer. Then open it from your apps. Boom! Browse categories, favorites, and EPG guides right away. Pro tip: update the app regularly and test channels for buffering. There you have it, Redbox TV live on your Android TV. If this hunt was a win, smash like, subscribe for more Android TV tips, and comment your top channel below. Stay safe out there. Catch you next stream.